how to turn off iPhone analytics and data sharing with Apple. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you turn off iPhone analytics and data sharing with Apple. So let's get started. First, as you have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on privacy and security. From your you'll have to scroll down and simply you'll have to find out the option for analytics and improvement. After that, simply tap on that. From here, you'll have to turn off all of the sharing option. After you turn off all of the sharing option from here, you'll be able to turn off iPhone analytics and data sharing with Apple. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.